There are lots of roles in cybersecurity. Some are obvious, like SOC Analyst, Pen Tester, Security Engineer, Cloud Security Engineer, and then there's one role people keep hearing about, but almost nobody can clearly explain: DevSecOps Engineer. It sounds important, it sounds technical, and honestly, it sounds like one of those roles companies invented and hoped nobody would question. So what does it actually mean? What does a DevSecOps engineer really do all day? Why are companies suddenly obsessed with it? And is it actually a great career path or just hype? In this video, we're going to break it down into 3 simple parts: what DevSecOps actually is, how it's different from DevOps, and why companies are investing heavily in it. Let's get into it. Part 1. What DevSecOps actually is. Let's start simple. DevSecOps is not just a buzzword. At its core, it's about bringing security into the software delivery process from the very beginning. Because here's the problem. For years, software worked like this. Developers build features, DevOps deploy them, and security shows up at the end like, wait, we need to check everything first. That created friction. It slowed everything down, and security became the bottleneck. DevSecOps fixes this by embedding security directly into the pipeline. So instead of checking security after everything is built, you check it while writing code, while building, while testing, while deploying, automatically. We are talking about code scanning, dependency checks, security tests, policy enforcement, all happening inside CI/CD pipelines. So security is no longer a gate at the end. It becomes part of the system itself. Quick analogy. Think about it like this. The old model was security is a final exam, but in DevSecOps, security is built into every assignment. So there are no surprises at the end and no last-minute failures. Part 2. DevOps versus DevSecOps. Now this is where people get confused. Isn't DevOps already doing this? Not exactly. DevOps focuses on speed, automation, collaboration. DevSecOps adds one critical layer: shared responsibility for security. In DevOps, the motto is, let's ship faster. In DevSecOps, the motto is, let's ship fast, but securely by default. That means developers care about security, operations care about security, security teams enable, not block. And the biggest shift? Security moves left. Instead of finding vulnerabilities in production, you catch them during development, which is faster, cheaper, and way less painful. Part 3. Why companies care. This is the money section. So why is DevSecOps exploding right now? Because of one thing: digital transformation. Companies today are shipping more software than ever, using cloud infrastructure, deploying multiple times per day, and that creates a huge problem. More speed equals more risk. Without DevSecOps, vulnerabilities go to production, security becomes reactive, costs explode. But with DevSecOps, the issues are caught early. Teams move faster safely, and security scales with the business. The real advantage, the biggest benefit, is not just security. It's developer autonomy plus safety. Developers can build, deploy, and secure their own systems without waiting on security teams. And the security teams? They become enablers, not blockers. Bonus, the 6 real benefits. Here's what companies actually get: faster delivery, fewer late-stage surprises, stronger security, built-in, not bolted on, lower costs, fixing early is cheaper, better DevOps outcomes, fewer production issues, cleaner development process, no last-minute security chaos, business growth, more trust, fewer incidents. So here's the truth. DevSecOps is not just security for developers, and it's not just DevOps with a scanner. It's a shift in mindset, from secure it later to build it secure from day one. And as companies continue to move faster, this role is only going to become more important. So if you found this video useful, please hit like and share it with someone trying to break into DevSecOps. And subscribe for more simple, in plain English breakdowns. Also, quick heads up, I'm building a DevOps and DevSecOps projects course focused on real-world skills, not theory. If you are interested, please join the waitlist in the description for early bird access and discount. And see you in the next one.